Hi students, most of you are knowing the rules of your favorite games. Example, football. Football is a game that involves the player's feet. If players start holding the football in their hands and passing it around, then they are not playing football anymore. Similarly, other games also have rules. Each of these rules helps to define the game and helps us to differentiate one game from another. Like these games, society also has rules that make it what it is and differentiate it from other kinds of societies. In large modern societies, these rules are in written form and it is known as constitution. So, today let us study the first chapter of civics, that is the Indian Constitution. In this chapter, we will be learning three main topics. They are what is constitution, why do we need a constitution, what are the key features of Indian Constitution. First, let us understand what is constitution. A constitution is a set of written rules and principles that are accepted by all the people living in a country, according to which the government of a country is governed. Why does a country need a constitution? From the following points, we come to know country needs a constitution because it serves several purposes. First, Constitution lays out certain ideals that form the basis of the kind of country that we should have, whether democracy or monarchy. Second, to define the nature of a country's political system. For example, it is the constitution that decides whether the country is to be ruled by king and his council of ministers or by the elected representatives. Third, constitution often lays down rules that guard against the misuse of authority by our political leaders. This means political leaders cannot misuse their authority. Fourth, constitution ensure that a dominant or majority group does not use its power against minority. This domination can be two types. First one, intercommunity domination means one community dominating another. Example, majority religious group dominating minority religious group. Second one, intra-community domination. This means members of one community dominating others within the same community. Example, one particular caste dominating other caste of the same community. Fifth, we need a constitution to save us from ourselves. It means because of party politics, people feel that democracy is not good. We should have one leader who is capable to rule the country. In fact, it is true that in the long run, dictatorial rule goes against people's interest. Now, let us study about important facts about Indian Constitution. They are almost 3 years taken by Constituent Assembly to complete our Constitution. It came to effect on 26 January 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Constitution. The introduction to our Constitution is known as the preamble.